Hello, friends! Today we will color and draw the alphabet. I will draw the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I will color the letter A with yellow.
And we'll jump with glee. O, P, Q, come laugh with me.
Let's color the letter B.
S, T, we'll dance around. Learning letters, we're spellbound.
I will color the letter C.
Unicorn, magical and bright. V is for victory.
Let's color the letter D with red.
W, X, Y, let's sing aloud. Learning letters,
I will color the letter E.
U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for victory.
Let's color the letter F.
W, X, Y, let's sing aloud. Learning
I will color the letter G.
Z is for Zoomicorn, magical and bright. V is for victory, let's shine our light. W, X, Y,
Let's color the letter H with blue.
Learning letters so strong. U is for zooming, like a shooting star. From A to Z,
I will color the letter I.
R, alphabet fun, come
Let's
on,
color the letter J.
play. Learning letters every day.
Let's color the letter K with pink. K is for kite.
The alphabet with me.
I will color the letter L.
Alphabet
L is
fun,
for
come
lion.
on, let's play.
Let's color the letter M.
Every
M is
day.
for moon.
With thee.
I will choose the green color for the letter N. N is for nest. I will color the letter O. O is for orange. I will color the letter P. I will color the letter Q with orange. Q is for quail. R is for rainbow. Let's color the letter S. I will color the letter T with purple. Let's color the letter U. U is for umbrella. Let's color the letter V with sky blue. V is for van. I will color the letter W. W is for whale. I will choose the darker green for the letter X. X is for xylophone. Let's color the letter Y. Y is for yak. I will choose the yellow color for the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Good job, friends! You could learn the alphabet and colors. Don't forget to subscribe for more.